Hello friends, we are back again with another topic in binary arithmetic. Today our topic is to convert binary number to hexadecimal and hexadecimal number to binary number system. So let us see what it is actually. Hexadecimal number system consists of the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 will be represented with A, 11 with B, 12 with C, 13 with D, 14 with E, and 15 with F. Therefore, the base or the radix of hexadecimal number is 16, as there are altogether 16 digits. We will use a table to solve hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. In the above two conversions, we can use a table as 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Table can be used where 2 to the power something is equal to the base. Our base is 16. Therefore, 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. And therefore, we can use a table. So let us learn how to create a table for converting hexadecimal to binary and vice versa. Keeping in mind 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Here the power value 4 will be the number of columns and 16, which is the base, will be the number of rows. Also add an extra column to the extreme left for putting the hexadecimal digits. Creation of table is already done. Now we have to fill the cells of this table. The first column, that is hexadecimal digits. Step 1 would be fill the leftmost column with hexadecimal digits starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then A, B, C, D, E, F. For your convenience, you can write in bracket 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now let us fill the rest of the columns. It's time to fill column 1. But how? Remember that hexadecimal's base is 16. Therefore, base divided by 2 will give you 8. 16 divided by 2 will give you 8. Therefore, fill the first 8 rows with zeros and then the last 8 rows with ones. Now it's time to fill column 2. Last time 16 divided by 2 was equal to 8. Now I have to play with 8. 8 divided by 2 will be 4. So the second column will be filled with 4 zeros, then 4 ones, again 4 zeros and then 4 ones. Now it's time for step 4. I have to fill the third column with zeros and ones. But how? Last time you remember that 8 divided by 2 was equal to 4. This time I have to play with 4. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. Therefore, fill the first 2 rows with zeros, then the next 2 rows with ones, and this process you will continue until you finish all the rows. Now I have to deal with the fourth column. So how to fill the fourth column? Last time 4 divided by 2 was equal to 2. So this time it would be 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. Therefore, fill zeros and ones alternately. First row if 0, second row 1, third row 0, fourth row 1, and you continue till row 16. Now let us convert 2AB7, which is a hexadecimal number, to a binary number. Keep the table ready that you have learnt already. The first step is tick the hexadecimal digits. The hexadecimal digits given here is 2AB7. In the hexadecimal digit column, tick them. The second step would be to highlight the zeros and ones present in that row. 2's combination of zeros and ones is 00, 10. Similarly, 7's binary number is 0, 1, 1, 1. And the third step is write the equivalent binary number in group of 4. 2, just see, 2AB7 I have written, and at the top I have written the binary equivalent. See the binary number for the hexadecimal digit 2, it is 0010, that thing I have written. For A it is 1010, for B it is 1011, and for 7 it is 0111. You just have to match and have to write the answer. Therefore, 00101010101110 and 111, this is the binary equivalent of the hexadecimal number 2AB7. Now let us convert another number, which is a hexadecimal number 2A.B7 into binary. Step 1, as usual, you will tick the hexadecimal digits present in the number, that is, you have to tick 2AB7 in the hexadecimal digits column. Step 2 would be highlight the zeros and ones present in those rows, and the third step would be to write the equivalent binary number in group of 4's. 2's binary equivalent is 0010, A's equivalent is 1010, put the point as it is, then B would be 1011 and 7 would be 0111. This is the binary equivalent number of the given hexadecimal number 2A.B7. So we have learned how to convert hexadecimal to binary. Now it's time to learn how to convert binary number to hexadecimal number. Here the given number is 100,101,000.110111. This number is to be converted into equivalent hexadecimal. So our first step would be to make a group of 4 digits from right to left before the decimal point. If it is not possible to form a group of 4, then fill with zeros to the extreme left. Similarly, make a group of 4 digits from left to right after the decimal point. Put extra zeros if needed to form a group of 4 digits. The second step would be to highlight the row of the binary numbers that is matching with each group. The third step is tick the hexadecimal digits with which each group is matching. And the fourth step is to write the answer. So, as per whatever I have said, the number that I have got for binary after making a group of 4 digits is equal to 0001, 0010 100.1101 and then 1100. Now this combination of 4 digits, match it with the hexadecimal number with which it is matching. 0001 is matching with hexadecimal number 1. 0010 is matching with hexadecimal number 2. 1000 is matching with hexadecimal digit 8. Point will remain as it is. 1101 is matching with the hexadecimal digit D. And finally 1100 is matching with the hexadecimal digit C. I hope each one of you have understood. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep learning, and of course do subscribe for all my latest videos. Thank you once again.